It almost feels to me like you're saying the only reason to do real world work is to increase the data set for the training.
We want them to be able to, you want to be able to give them a screen and just like do a month's worth of work at McKinsey or JP Morgan. We don't have the data of like, you're getting interrupted by your workers on Slack and you get this like weird email from your boss.
You remember when the crypto boom was happening and there was a meme floating around, which was the only reason to earn fiat is to convert it into cryptocurrency. It almost feels to me like you're saying the only reason to do real world work is to increase the data set for the training.
I kind of think, well, I think that's honestly more valuable than your work. And the market
It
agrees.
doesn't actually matter what you do. Try and do it well so you don't give it a bad data set here. Yeah.
The market agrees. And the reason it makes sense economically, and the reason AIs fundamentally have an advantage over humans, even if they're not smarter than us, is that if you train a human to do something, or if you have a human do a task, they can only do it themselves. If you train an AI model to do something, that ability can now be instantiated across all of its copies. And so I actually think that even once we solve this basic problem I'm talking about on-the-job training, where if it starts working for Chris Williamson, in a couple of months, it understands how you make videos, what you like, what are your preferences, what are the common ways in which things go wrong, how to solve for that. I think once you have an AI that's capable of this kind of on-the-job training and continual learning, we might see an intelligence explosion, even if there's no further algorithmic progress. Here's why. You'll have copies of these models that are widely deployed through the economy. They're learning how to do every single job, at least every single white-collar job, as well as a human. But unlike a human, the model is learning from what every single copy is learning. It's learning how to do every single job in the economy all together at the same time.